Look at you, a mess, broken by the world, left for dead like you're nothing. They chewed you up, spit you out, and never looked back. But guess what? They're watching you now. Yeah, they are. They're waiting for you to stay down, hoping you never rise again. But here's what they don't get: every second you're down is fuel. They thought they broke you, but all they did was plant a seed. And seeds, they grow. You think you're done. You're just getting started. Those scars they left on you, they're proof you survived. They tried to bury you, but they didn't know you're a fighter, a warrior. You've got that fire they feared, that unstoppable drive to come back stronger. Let me tell you something, bones come back stronger after they heal. And that's you right now, rebuilding, piece by piece, harder to break than ever. God isn't just watching this, He's planning your rise. He's going to rebuild you right in front of them, in full view of every doubter, every betrayer, every coward who walked away. They'll watch as you transform into something greater, something untouchable. You think your pain is for nothing? No. That pain is your fuel. Your losses are the foundation for your empire. God's not just rebuilding you, He's elevating you. Let them laugh now. Let them celebrate your fall. Because when you rise, and you will rise, you're not coming back the same. You're coming back meaner, stronger, and smarter. You're coming back as a force they can't ignore and sure as hell can't stop. This isn't survival, it's transformation. You're taking everything they thought would break you and turning it into power. You're the comeback story they'll tell for years. You know the truth. The people who tried to break you, they're the ones who are really broken. They attacked you because they saw in you what they could never be. They tried to destroy you because they feared your potential. But now, they'll have to live with the knowledge that you didn't just survive, you thrived. And that's going to eat them alive. You're not just rising, you're becoming untouchable. When God rebuilds you, it's not temporary. He's making you indestructible. When you stand tall, they won't even recognize you anymore. You'll be stronger, wiser, and unstoppable. They'll regret every time they doubted you, every time they hurt you. And you'll rise above it all, knowing the truth. They couldn't break you. They never stood a chance. So get up. Dust yourself off. Let them watch as you rise from the ashes, a warrior reborn. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. And the world better be ready.